What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lily, and today I want to talk about a little problem that I got a couple days ago. So my bike doesn't start when it's on gear. I used to put on first gear, pull the clutch, turn the button and start the engine. It's already 2-3 days. I cannot do that unless I put the bike on neutral. That's why I thought that problem was probably in this little switch. It's a clutch switch, which is supposed to go to clutch assembly. Only 20 bucks. I'll do it myself. It will take probably a few minutes. Like I said, my bike is on first gear. I pull the clutch, push the button, and it won't start. But if I put it on neutral, voila! Let's get started. Looks like I found a switch. It's right here, this guy. It's a little bit dusty. Most likely I could just blow out the dust and lubricate a little bit and the problem would gone. But since I already purchased the part, I'm gonna just replace it. There you go. Hey, little guy. You caused a lot of problem these couple days. I don't need you anymore. 2-3 years ago I had the same problem. I just remembered this. So I took the bike to the dealer and they replaced only the switch, not the whole assembly. What they have done, they just cut the wires from here and put the new one, fixed it. I'm going to do the same thing. Otherwise, I would need the whole assembly, which I believe it's about 300 or maybe more. it's on gear, as you can see. Pulling clutch, and voila! Problem solved! I fixed it very easily, and this little guy got replaced and fixed on my bike. Now I don't have the same problem. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video on social media or somewhere else. Save your time, save your money, and I'll see you on the road.